Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox the new laptop from Lenovo. This is the Lenovo Ideapad 5 14ALC05. So this one, the spec is here. It comes with AMD RYZEN 5500U starting at 2.1 GHz. It has 512 GB of SSD, M.2 and 8 GB of RAM, a 14-inch Full FHD IPS display, and 3-cell battery. It comes with Windows 10 Home Single Language. So it weighs around, the box weighs around 2.25 kg, and it has just been manufactured because I customized the spec itself. And also it comes with the Microsoft Office Home and Student installed. So without further ado, let's take the laptop out from the box. So this is around 2,500 ringgit. I got it from the official Lenovo Malaysia website and customized the spec itself. So this is safety and warranty guide, nothing much. Chinese, charging adapter, and the block itself. So it's only 65 watt, very small and very light. And this is the head. So here is the setup guide itself. We got the 14-inch version. Without further ado, let's take this laptop out. This is the platinum grey version. So as you can see, this is a very minimalistic design with a silver top, and I think this is the platinum grey with the logo on the side here. I think it's also plastic and plastic bottom, but with a slightly darker grey. It's very light, nice touch. Some rubber fits here, a long one and a two short one on here. Let's look at the I/O ports itself. So we have the charging port here, USB 3.0 here, HDMI here, microphone and headset jack here, the headset indicator and the power indicator. On the other side we have two USB 3.0 and a SD card reader, which is cool. Let's just open it up. So it has a webcam here. Let me just try and take this away. Let's see. So if you can see it, there's a very small slider on top of it that lets you slide over to block the camera for privacy. The body itself, very nice. It's a very different texture. And powered by AMD Radeon graphics card because it comes with the RYZEN 5000 series. And the keyboard feels not bad. And here's the power button with the fingerprint scanner. And the speaker grill here, actually these are not the speakers. Only the only speakers is here and here. So the top is only for aesthetic. So this is a 14-inch Full HD IPS display. As you can see, it covers almost the entire panel, which is nice design. It comes with a dead battery, so you need to charge it up first.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
You can hear a bit of the fan running at the back here. I've tested it just now. So this keyboard has backlight, And the sound quality is actually not bad, but the power button actually is a bit flimsy, and so is the touchpad. Other than that, I think this laptop is quite a very good build quality. As you can see, it doesn't fit much. So considering the price, this is definitely good for long-term usage as a student. Of course, with the integrated graphic of AMD Radeon, you cannot expect it to run high-end games, but simple games like possibly even Genshin Impact can run well on this laptop. And I must say the display, the quality is actually very good. It's very vibrant, the color, the contrast is also very good. So yeah, we're now in the Windows 10 now after all the setups, but it does come with some bloatware like Lenovo's own bloatware, which I honestly think they should not include it. And then this also comes with the Microsoft Office for students, and as you can see, you can use it from right away, but it's best for you to sign in. So it comes with Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. This is a permanent license, which is a very good bang for the buck. You have to activate the Microsoft Office. If you don't activate it, you will lose it by a few days later. For me, it's just 5 days. So Lenovo actually has its own Lenovo Webcam. So this is personal. Another set of things I don't want to go through anymore. Maybe later. So if we talk about the package of this laptop, is that it actually comes with a 1-year warranty, but you can also choose to upgrade it to 2 years warranty or even longer. And it also supports Dolby Audio and has a sticker here for a quick e-support. And the laptop is actually very light. It's around 1.5 kg, but as you know, I've already upgraded the battery from the stock 44.5 watt to the 56 watt to give it a longer battery life. So expect it to be a little over 1.5 kg, but still this is a very light laptop with a powerful processor. And yeah, the processor is actually 6 cores, 12 threads, which is an upgrade from the last gen, because the last gen is only 6 cores, 6 threads. So expect better multitasking performance from this generation. And it has a 720p webcam. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video if you find this useful. Now see you guys next time. Bye bye.